now we would move on to the hands-on. So I just logged it in my AWS account, and we would just simply search here Bedrock. Already, so here we go. So here you can see new models are available, and in this model we'd get into the chat or text playground, and it will just take a while. Already, so here you can get a single prompt, or you can chat with it, and you can select any model. You can choose from Anthropic's models, Amazon. We have Titan Text G1 Lite. Noah Micro is the cheapest token. Mistral AI, OpenAI, Qwen, Meta, DeepSeek, and here are the routers. And we will just choose the Noah Micro, and this is the cheapest token, I guess. And we just hit on apply, and we'll just try to interact. Already, so here you can also do filters, and you can get how much you want. You can just put it was by default 512, so we just do anything that we need. There is randomness, there is guardrails. This is something that it is up to you that how you want. Now we would just write a prompt that what is AWS, or what is the weather in San Francisco, what is the weather in Mumbai. So this is just something that very simple, and already. So we have inputted 4 tokens, and we got an output of 489 tokens. We can manage it from here. 489, we can put 142, and in every model there would be different responses. So this is Noah Micro, and if you want to change, we can change it to clouds on a, let's say 4.5, and we just hit on apply. Oh, okay. We can use OpenAI's any model, and we can also use already. So we can use any, let's say Llama 3 from Meta. We would just apply. We do the same prompt. What is AWS? And we just hit enter. So here you can see there is a wide difference between the answer. The answer that was generated from the Amazon's model was different, and the answer from the Llama model is also different. And yeah, we get latency of 7617 milliseconds. We have inputted 18 tokens, and we get an output of 512 tokens. So this is a chat playground. We can also generate images. So we'll just come here, and yeah. So we would just say image generator, and we'll just apply. And we just say, let's say, generate an image of a cat, and it would just give us, as we have just given the prompt, to start generating. So we would wait for a while, because image generation does take a bit of time. Already, so we have the image of the cat, and you can download from here any image you like. And yes, so here you can also see the details of the image. We have 3 cats. If you would specify that image of an orange cat, then it would also generate your specified prompt. So this is just a playground. You can interact with models as you like. So this was the Amazon Bedrock. This is the Amazon Bedrock. So we just wait for the orange cat. So here we have the image of the orange cat. So alright, this was all about Amazon Bedrock's hands-on, and on next topic we would be covering foundational models in Amazon Bedrock. Thank you very much, and yeah, make sure to like this channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and don't forget to leave the comment. See you later. Thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.